Hey guys, what's up? Be sure and like and subscribe. Get up in there and play a little violin music for me right now because I've been dealing with this Argo. It's been pissing me off. And it's going to have to be a two-part video. So here's part one, what we got done. But I want you to stick around and I need your guys' help. Go ahead and comment on this video and let me know what you think about the intro. I got about 4 minutes here. I need to get narrowed down to about 25 seconds. So if there's some clips you like, let me know. If not, we're going to move them out and bring some other ones in because... got a bunch of old videos we haven't used, so trying to see what you boys like. Let us know. Get up in there. Argo build's going down. Lots of videos on the channel. 250 videos on the channel. 15,000 subscribers. We appreciate you guys. Lots of these videos have less than 1,000 views, so I know you haven't seen them. We're trying to figure out what it is. Blake wants to know what the hell it is you want. Blake's asking. I'm asking for Blake. What do you want? Let us know. Comment below. Appreciate you, dudes. Argo build, don't go nowhere because it's coming right up. So stick around through this intro, guys. Here's Blake's ass.
He's been using wood grain bump steak.
Oh, you got to. You have to ride it again.
No! No!
Good to rally? So comment below and let us know, guys. Time to get all up in this daggum Argo. Here we go, dudes. Check it out. My son's already telling me I shouldn't sell it. I can't put you in charge of nothing, kid. We'd be poor. Yeah, you're good. You can tilt it a little bit and raise it up some if you want. So, dudes, that's it. The shop's not quite done yet, man. We got everything going. We got electric run out. They just ain't come hook this up yet. Bullshit, really is what it is, huh? Hop up in it. See if you could, what you think of it. This boy's been out here looking at this thing all day. Think you can drive it?
Yeah, I think I can.
We're gonna have to get it running.
Yeah.
Look at this motor in here. With that big old Honda motor.
Yeah, this is like a boat, and it can drive on the pond.
Yeah, but it can drive on the ground.
Yeah, it also can drive.
So we got this unloaded. Here's the issue with the axle. This axle's broke. Needs to be fixed and chain put back on it.
Yeah.
Dang, boys. Put that down. Oh shit, Captain Morgan Freeman. Oh, it farted.
That's like
Ew.
me in the toilet.
Yeah, sounds like it. Look at that. Big old Honda motor. Well, shit. Want to see if it runs, boy?
Yeah.
Squirrel nest. So we got the seat out. Looks like we got chains on this side that are good. To the front, back, and middle. Looks like we're missing a chain. There's a broken axle. And it's going all the way. I don't know where it broke, but we'll find out. Let's see if she'll start, boys. What?
I said pretty sick.
What do you think? Motor runs, fellas. She's a little janky here and there, but we're gonna be able to get her running. I know that, because I already did. Now the real issue is this broken axle. We gonna just make it a four-wheeler, or we gonna fix the axle, or what we gonna do? We got a lot of options, boys. Got a lot of options. Let's see what happens. Fuck it. Oh, she gonna run. You okay? She gonna run. Did you see that?
Yeah.
It didn't get fixed. What are you talking about? To straighten up a little bit? Let's take it in the pond.
Yeah.
Goober. Dang, it runs. All we gotta do, boys. Get this chain hooked to that chain, to that chain, to that chain. Clean out this bird's nest, and straighten out this axle and weld it, and we're in business.
Every single ant.
Yeah, might want to do that. Dude, I got the seat and the floorboard over here, bro. Battery's dead, I'm sure. That was a fart. That was a little fart.
Dang, dude, that motherfucker floats.
I know, it's gonna be badass, bro. We're definitely gonna have to fucking do a sweet video.
Yeah,
Sweet
go out
video.
to Twin Hills.
Right here, bro.
No.
Oh, go
Twin Hills,
fishing?
Go fishing.
Boys, first work on the Argo besides washing it and pulling out the seat and stuff. Seeing what we're dealing with. Oh, see, it might just be that carrier, bro. Let's look on the inside real quick. That carrier is definitely roasted. Or we gotta take the bottom from the top. We gotta take the whole bottom off. This whole top off.
Yeah.
Which wouldn't be that horrible, but then we're gonna have to seal it up good, huh?
Probably.
You think we can seal it back up? Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, silicone.
Well, that's what we're looking at doing. That's the whole top end. So we got this wheel off, and here's what we're looking at, boys.
Looks like we need to just...
On it. Now, Reagan wants to ride it too much, and the channel wants to see it too much.
We
so
could pull him.
it's gonna cost me all kinds of fucking money, but
Let's just pull him.
yeah, we'll just pull him across. Oh, uh-oh, you're taking on water. We gotta take this whole boat in half. We have to split the boat. Just like old tractor needs a transmission, you gotta split her in half. So we're busting into the Argo, boys. Looks like what we gotta do to even get a look at the bottom is to undo this whole top shell. So that's gonna be a lot of fun, but we're gonna do it pretty much right now. Got the impact, a bag for all our hardware. We're gonna get it off, lift it up, get it out of the way, and see if we can determine what the hell's going on with this axle. All right, boys. So now we're getting up in there. We're getting up in there for sure. Does it look like there's going to be a carrier under that battery? I think we need to remove the battery to see what we're dealing with.
Sure.
We're going to pull the battery and see where we're at. See if we can weld it up or what.
Battery box.
Is there a battery box?
Yeah, it's sitting in it.
Oh, I thought, well, that's also the carrier. We're up in there, boys. Sweet bilge pump.
Oh, yeah, that's the drain plug right there. I guess there's 2 drain plugs.
That's where it squirts out water from the pump. You talking about the top one or the bottom one? That top one where that hose is going?
Right here?
No, I'm talking about.
I'm talking about the hole right there
Oh.
on the bottom.
I was talking about this pump. It pumps it out of that little white spigot right there.
Yeah.
And the work on her, boys. Sure. We're gonna see what's up with this axle. It's weldable, if it just got slid out of position or what the deal is, if it just needs a new carrier, new bearing. A lot of stuff it could be, so we're gonna find out. Check out these sweet brakes, man. This is some Louisiana shit. Look at that.
Shit.
It's like some Bugs Bunny brakes, some Wile E. Coyote brakes,
That's a
man.
motherfucking mini bike.
Jeez, dudes. My God.
Well, we're gonna have to call it. We're just gonna have that on these big jobs.
Where it's over. I'm gonna say it's over.
Yeah, no,
So-
we're just gonna have that on these big jobs, you know? It's an excuse for do just about anything I want on these big jobs. You know?
Oh, yeah.
If something fucks up, you just have that on these big
Call it.
jobs.
Yeah, you just have that. This is what happens on these big jobs.
It's like you left the water running inside and flooded the building. So yeah, you're gonna have that on these big jobs now.
Yeah, some of that stuff may happen. You know, you gotta be just being honest.
I know it looks like my fault, but you know, if it were a small job, I'd take the blame. However, on a job like this, it's gonna happen.
3 sprockets. Sprocket sandwich, guys. So they're all gonna have to come off too somehow.
So we just gotta drill a bigger hole on it.
Yeah, never build them out the carrier again. Damn it. Yeah, it looks like these sprockets, this last one locks them on, dude. They got seams between them.
So here, I guess, really right here. So I guess maybe all that.
Comes off?
Yeah, because there's this keyway, or this locking nut, I think, right here. Is that, so it should, I guess it's an Allen.
Yeah.
We ought to hit it with PB and let it soak.
Yeah, you can do that. I'm wondering though what
It's gonna need to soak for probably 24.
Yeah, probably till next week.
48.
It's soak all weekend. Is the problem there?
How did you know? I was gonna get there in 2 days.
Well, the other option
In 2
is
days, I'll
lop
get
this
back
axle off, bro. Run us a front steering. Run us a sprocket on front. It's just unfortunate because that thing's like a pivot too. It has all the sprocket. You know what I mean? It ties the back, front, and middle all together.
Yeah.
Oh shit, he's staring her down. What, you trying to trade for your Banshee? I'm doing the top end. See, I got the top end off of it. I got the top end off to the side.
That's how I do the top.
Just put off to the side. I don't think that's weldable, bro. And even if it is, it needs a bearing and a carry.
You have to have the bearing and the steel for it, or it's not waterproof. Now, I mean,
Sure. Pretty.
it don't look like it'll be a hard job to do. Did you look up the parts yet?
I found one like lot of parts with 5 axles and like maybe 7 sprockets or something, and they wanted 300. I found what looks to be the same hub. I can't confirm if it's the same axle. No sprockets, 300. Another deal like 259 for the axle and the bearing.
Argo?
But all the bearings that I see have four holes instead of 3, which I don't mind changing it. It's just hard to be confident when you buy it because I don't know
Going tomorrow.
how.
Magic tricks.
Come here and look at this sprocket and tell me magic tricks. Look at him trying to make guarantees on tomorrow. Look at that sprocket, boy. Turn that axle around.
This
The
shit's good, man.
No, the middle one looked like somebody done tacked boogers
Oh,
on it.
fuck.
Not
I seen you and Blake do some more shady shit than that. I'll just file that shit.
file. Oh, so he does have a tripping. But I got some zip ties for the chain. I got a bounce for you.
Put this motor in that, right?
No, that's going in maybe a BW or I don't know. We got this 426 motor here. It's gonna go in something, dudes. Video's coming soon.
You put it in that order.
Sure. Or a blaster. Dude, them lights are nice, huh?
Nice, man. I like it.
Super bright.
Fucking chart.
Yeah, super top 10 list, boys. Get up in there. About to update that bad boy. What?
Looks a lot better.
What? Okay. Okay.
Since you're big time on YouTube, you must have hired a professional photographer filming.
It sounds super good,
That's
though.
a piece of shit compared to the picture.
Oh, give me a break, dude. That's how your 450 looks whenever people see it in person, and that little car. Uh-huh. She ready to rip.
Heartbeat of America, it's a Chevrolet.
Chevrolet.
Suzuki.
Heck yeah, man. Where's the Banshee? You didn't run it? David got a Banshee for sale, y'all. Careful, though. He'll try and lean on you and sell it tonight.
Hey, bitch.
Dude, look at this fucking motor, bro.
Fucking Harley.
It's huge. It runs, too. And this come out of a Wagoneer or something.
25 horse.
23. 22 and a half or 22.8 or something. Got the 6 gallon a minute. It says 600 gallon per hour. Oh shit. 10 gallons a minute. Oh, that's A-Rod. Damn. Bro had me tripping.
P.O.Box coming.
That's what I thought. No, he's just coming to see me.
Tire hangs up. You get it?
Yeah, but the other ones,
It's still there. I already looked at it.
Nah, it ain't there.
I looked at it. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah. It's there.
How come the housing's there in the... Okay, so do you see the big bolt? Come look at the other side.
Yeah, that's the main hub to the main sprocket. I can see it on the sprocket over here. The chain's laying on top of it.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
I'm telling you, dog. Hope you had a mechanic that worked here.
You can't have
What
that
the fuck
shit
is going
fixed,
on,
bro.
man?
You just want something to tweedle with all night.
I'll fucking have this motherfucker going.
Get the axle put in there. I don't want
Need
to
a
talk
bearing.
Oh,
If you
see.
had a bearing, or if I could find one at Tractor Supply that would work,
Mm-hmm.
could make it work, man.
Where's the bearing gonna go? On this
It
little
goes on the
plate?
shaft, man. That's the race stuck on the shaft.
Well, the bearing's there.
No, it's not.
Yeah, look.
There's a big old hole in it. That bearing will fill the hole, and then there's rubber seal that goes around it. Looks like some boat shit, man. Like how a drive shaft goes through a boat on a D-drive
Right.
speedboat.
Damn. So can but can't sounds like. What was this what I heard? Can but
Saying,
can't.
maybe if I could find the bearing. There's a bearing shop in Bridgeport. You know
Huh?
that? Kimkin Bearing?
There was a
Service bearing.
there's a dude over here in Louisville that said he can get them for me too, but he's trying to sell them to like third party them. I'm sure we could find them, but thing's not in too bad a shape,
No, it can be.
and the motor runs,
Pretty tough, man.
so we can definitely float. And we're gonna have to put a couple plugs.
Them Billet 14-inch wheels on it.
It's got a couple plugs it needs. You see that? This is a couple plugs it needs.
Oh, yeah.
Well, part 2 is going to be throwing the new axle and sprockets in there and chains, or having this one repaired. We're going to find out pretty damn quick. I wish I could have made her 2-wheel drive, but I mean a 4-wheeler or a 5-wheeler. We can't.